Good evening, children. Welcome to Standard 7 Science online class. I hope all are safe and fine at home by the grace of God. Children, this is Unit 6 Health and Hygiene. Already we have learned communicable disease, children. Okay, tuberculosis already we have learned. So today we are going to learn cholera. Okay, this is also one of the communicable disease, children. Here cholera is caused by Vibrio cholerae. So this is the causative agent, children, and spreads through consumption and contaminated food or water. Here what are the symptoms of this cholera, children? The symptoms of cholera is vomiting, okay, severe diarrhea and cramps in leg. Okay, that's very important, children. And see this picture, children. Yeah, drinking contaminated water can be causes. That is called Vibrio cholerae. See this structure of this Vibrio cholerae, children. Yes. See this lavender color. Yeah. And what are the preventions you should take this treatment, children? First, you take a good hygienic practices, okay, like washing your hands before eating, and avoid eating uncovered food from street vendors, okay, and drinking boiled waters and getting vaccination against cholera. This is clear to you, children? Yeah. So second communicable disease also. What, children, have any doubt? No. Next, see the third communicable disease, typhoid. Okay, this is one of the very dangerous communicable disease, children. Yes. So typhoid is caused by Salmonella typhi. So the causative agent name is what? Salmonella typhi, and spreads by contaminated food and water. The symptoms are, what are the symptoms, children? Anorexia, headache, rashes on abdomen, okay, and dysentery and high fever up to how much? 104 degree Fahrenheit, okay. See this, children's structure, okay. This is the structure of what? Salmonella typhi. Salmonella typhi, okay. Yes. And see the typhoid fever, children. See this picture, okay. First see the tongue color, children. White coating on your tongue. Yes, light white coating, okay. And Salmonella typhi, just filter the water. And see this enlarged liver and spleen, and rashes on your body, okay. You see the red color, children, arrow mark. Yeah, red color so this is your stomach portions, children. Ulcers and the intestine. Ulcers in the intestine. This is clear to you, children? Yeah. Now let's move for the prevention and treatment. So what are the prevention you should take, children, this type of disease? You are drinking boiled and clean water, okay, that's very important, and proper disposal of sewage. And third one is vaccination. You should take BCG vaccination. This is clear to you, children? Yes. So bacterial infections over, children. Next, move for the disease caused by virus. Disease caused by virus. Here, this is one of the viral disease, children, are extremely widespread infections caused by many type of virus, children. So you know coronavirus. Nowadays they are spreading coronavirus. So now in this lesson we will learn about some disease caused by the virus, like what are the viral disease, children? Hepatitis, chickenpox and rabies. So these are all the viral disease, children. Now first let's see hepatitis. You know, children, hepatitis was one of the fatal disease, children, most dangerous and fatal disease caused by the hepatitis virus A, B, C, D and E. These are all the type of virus, children. Its most mode on transmission is contaminated water and sharing of needles and blood transfusion. That's very important, children, blood transfusion. So what are the symptoms of this disease, children? Yes, the symptoms of hepatitis is loss of appetite, okay, that means anorexia, vomiting, eyes and urine in yellow color, okay. See this diagram, children. This is one of the hepatitis virus children picture, and see the liver color also changes. See the eye structure, children. Yeah. So eye also in what color? Yellow in color. Okay. So these are all the symptoms of what? Hepatitis. So you take a prevention and treatment, children. You take a drinking boiled water. Okay. And you take a proper cleaning of your hands. That's very important, children. Okay. Fine. And now next move for the next disease, chicken pox. Chicken pox. You know chicken pox is also known as varicella. Varicella virus name, children, is a highly contagious infection caused by the varicella zoster virus. Okay. And this disease spreads through air and contact with the infected person, children. And the symptoms of this chickenpox: appearance of rashes on your whole body. See this picture, children: fever, headache, and tiredness. So these are all the symptoms of this fever, chickenpox: headache, okay, fever, and loss of appetite, tiredness, and full of rashes. Children develop into fluids filled with bitters and eventually turns into crystals. Okay. And appears first as chest, back, and faces also. They spread to rest of your body. Okay. And itching also, itches also, it's very important thing. Clear to you, children? Yes. So what are the prevention and treatment you should take this type of disease, children? Hepatitis, chicken pox. The chicken pox is a varicella virus. Vaccine is best way to prevent this chicken pox. Okay, you take a vaccination. It's best way, children, to prevent the disease. Okay. And the next one is special attention should be given to the infected person. That's very important, children. Yes, this is clear to you, children. Yes, fine. Now let's see the third one. Third disease, rabies. So you know, children, rabies is a fatal disease, children. It's very dangerous disease. So which is transmitted by the bite of infected dog. You see the rabbit, monkey, cat, etc. Here the virus present in the saliva of a dog enters the brain via neurons. So what are the main symptoms of this rabies, children? That is hydrophobia. Okay. That means extreme fear for water. And you take a fever for 2 to 12 weeks. 12 weeks. Okay. And exaggerations in behavior also. It will be changes. Okay. And what are the prevention and treatment you should follow this type of disease, children? Yes, first one, early stages rabies is very difficult to detect. Second one, after an animal is bitten, it's usually taken 2 to 12 weeks to show any symptoms. It may take a long as 2 years also. And the third one, fatality can be prevented by the timely vaccination before onset of symptoms. You should take proper vaccination. That's very important, children. Okay, see this picture, children, rabies. See the first point, children. Virus enters via animal bites. Okay, here the animals bite. See the second point, virus replicates in muscles at site of bites. See the third point, see the third arrow mark, children. Virus infects nerve in peripheral nervous system. You know peripheral nervous system, children? Yeah, that is the main nervous system in our human body. Moves by retrograde transport. See the fourth one. Virus replicates in dorsal roots, ganglion, and travels up spinal cord to the brain. Okay, see the fifth point. Brain is infected. Okay. And sixth point, a virus travels from brain via nerves to other tissues. Okay. Such as eyes, kidneys, and salivary glands. So these are all the main symptoms of rabies, children. Fine. Yes. See this. Do you know, children, vaccine? What is vaccine? Vaccine is a biological preparation that provides acquire immunity to a particular disease. So here coronavirus you should take a normal vaccination, okay? And another one is what? You take what? COVID shield, okay? COVID vaccination or COVID shield. So this type of rabies virus you take a vaccination like BCG, polio, MMR are given in early childhood to protect your from the other disease also. This is clear to you children? Yes. Communicable disease over children, have any doubt? Yes. Any doubt children? No. Yes children, communicable disease over children. Yeah. Yes. Now let's move for the non-communicable disease. Non-communicable disease means communicable disease do not spread from person to person. Okay. And here they are caused by other factors children. So here communicable disease okay given, but it is a non-communicable disease children. Here the printing mistake children. They are caused by the other factors children. Therefore it's important to know and sickness and other communicable and which are not. Okay, they are never caused by the germs, bacteria and other living organisms and infects in your body children. And you take antibiotics, okay, or medicines that are fight against germs do not help to cure the non-communicable disease. See the first one children, problems caused by wearing out of body parts. Okay, rheumatism, heart attack, heart attack, epileptic seizures, stroke, migraine, headache, cataract and cancer. Okay, cataract and cancer. So these are all the non-communicable disease. Okay children, yes. And problems caused by the external harmful agents entering your body children, allergies, asthma, okay, poisons, snake bites, cough from smoking and stomach ulcer, alcoholism. So these are all the one of the non-communicable disease. And the next one, problems caused by a lack of trace elements in your body, anemia, okay, pellagra and night blindness and extrophthalmia and goitre and hypothyroidism. Okay, these are all the non-communicable disease. And problems caused by the malnutrition. So malnutrition means the nutrition food is needed for a person grow well and work hard and stay healthy. Okay, many common sicknesses are caused by the malnutrition children. Yes. See here, do you know leukoderma? You know how many of you see here this type of disease children? This is a non-communicable disease. Leukoderma caused by the partial or total loss of pigmentations in the skin. Here see melanin pigment. This condition affects any age children, gender and ethnicity. There is no cure children. Okay, it does not spread by touching, sharing foods and sitting together. And now see here children. Okay, fine. Today's class is over children. Have any doubt? Yes, no. Fine children. Learn the given question answers children. Write in your classwork note neatly children. Okay, complete your task. Thank you children. God bless you.